I have new Hampton Bay 24 commercial light string kit. I made sure all of the bulb base metal was up 20 degrees and screwed all bulbs in, but not one will light up. I checked the outlet and it is working for other lights.
How old is your Hampton Bay lighting?
Brand new. I bought it in the fall 2020, but it was still in the box. I just opened it up.
How long has this been going on with your Hampton Bay lighting? What have you tried so far?
This is the first time I opened up the box.
Is there anything else the electrician should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hello, my name is. I'll be the electrical expert helping with your question today. I am sorry to hear that you are having trouble with your lighting, and understand your frustration. I am sure we can find the answer you need. Before that, I need some additional information from you if possible. Please provide any additional detail/description that may be helpful. For example, photos, brand and model information, sketches, etc. Anything that will help me understand what you have going on. You will see a button for an offer to call me. This is optional and usually not necessary. Hello, without the information requested, I can only give you a general answer. I hope this helps. Exchange the light string kit for new at Home Depot. I would be happy to provide a more detailed answer if you can provide the information requested. Thank you.
Basically, by the time they found you and had you reach out to me, several days had passed and I had figured it out already.
Okay. Glad to hear that you have resolved the issues.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.